Hello guys, and finally this is a vlog from Sochi. I didn't post videos on this channel for 2 weeks, and I want to show you today where I live, my room tour from Sochi. I hope you will like it. I will show you my apartment and also area where I live. I already told you a bit about Sochi, how hard it is to find apartment actually here in this city, because this is the main resort of Russia. That's the place where a lot of tourists, and very hard to find apartment during the time since maybe April to October or even November. So when I wanted to rent apartment, I spent a lot of time on the different sites to find anything, and finally I booked apartment that I even didn't see because I was agree with everything I needed to come here. I have apartment, this is around, as I remember, 27 or yeah, I think 27 meters, so this is not big at all. For me to live alone, that's enough. I pay for this in a month 32,000 rubles. It is almost, it's something around $300 or more, depend on the currency exchange now. And also I pay for electricity, water, and so on. So I really love the atmosphere here. It's kind of light. And let's start. I will show you everything. So let's start. Here the apartment starts and finish. Actually, this is not big, as I said. Here I have some clothes. This one I take for gym because I don't have anything else. I'm umbrella, some clothes, also shoes. And here I guess this one is just that you can sit and use it. This is my workplace. This is so nice. I'm sitting here and give classes, and at the same time I can see the sea. This is my laptop. I have a Huawei, and also I have iPad just to write ideas about the videos. And also I have different notebooks to plan everything. Also my classes. Okay, here we have a kitchen. This is very interesting. This one, I guess they've done it just that not to make it dirty very fast with oil, you know. I think the idea was like this. Also this one is working. Okay. And I have a microwave. Kind of old. This one is mine. Very good thing. Here I have some food, of course grichka, like a typical Russian. I have a honey, grichka, rice, and everything. Not much sweets, just this one, but I don't eat a lot. This, is it interesting? What is it inside of my fridge? Guys, write me, maybe next time we make a video about cooking. Then I have two beds. I guess this one they used for a child. I sleep usually here. Also, it's very nice that from your bed you can see the sea. Also from the closet, also you can see. I don't watch a TV, useless thing for me. And of course, the main thing what I love here, this is a balcony, and really nice view. Just look here. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. There is Adler. Now we don't see it, but because it's just very far. But anyway, there is, in this side is a city center. So I live somewhere in the middle, and for me that's the best the best area in Sochi, because I still live in the city, but here is so nice air, so nice location. I live, you see, a bit on a hill. Oh, you see the bus is going to this hill. For me that's okay, because I'm a sportsman, of course. So this bus go right to my house, so that's very comfortable for me. And even at night I'm not scared at all. So my neighbors. Okay, this is me. Now these days the weather isn't so good, so unfortunately I cannot show you the beauty of sunset or sunrise. We will see a bit later, maybe it will be better, but you know, I adore this balcony, this view, and it's really warm. It is already the middle of November, I still can stay like this. It's around plus 20 degrees today, but now it will become colder, of course, already almost the winter. So now I want to show you the area where I live. So let's go for some walk. I didn't find better idea where to hide my suitcase. Let's go to the bathroom, of course. I don't have a bath, unfortunately, only the shower. Okay. And this is me again. This one is really nice. Okay, look at me. Okay, nothing special. We also have common balcony, where also you can just stay if you want. And the view here is like this, beautiful houses around. I would say it's kind of expensive area, a lot of expensive hotels here. Also they made area for children, and without the keys you will not come here. A lot of dogs here. First time I was so scared of them. So this is just the area around me. Hello. This is my house. Oh my gosh, don't eat me, please. I love so much this vibe. This is like you live in tropics. Now I will take you for a walk. We will go for, I don't know, 5-7 minutes to the beach near my house. I already was there. I made a video there maybe 2 years ago, and today I will show you again how we will go there. Here I have a shop right near with my house. Guys, even not near, I guess this is my house. And also a zone, Wildberries, there's the place markets where you can order something like online shops and get it right here. So kind of comfortable area. Also this shop, I've never been there, and yeah, this is a Magnet, very popular shop. And now we go. Actually, this is my stairs, but you see they still didn't finish their reconstruction, so we have to go here where this bus was going. So here is my last stop, and now we go there to the sea. Who watched me last years who stayed with me for 2-3 years. For the last 2 years, maybe you remember this place. This called Terenkur. This is like an area where you can just walk. It's like a forest, and this is kind of long. Here are a lot of trees, plants, and I say that's why I really love it. You see, I live in the city, but I have in 5 minutes forest and I have a sea. So let's go. Just one thing I don't like here is just that I need to go to the to this hill again. I think from the sea, let's see how much is it in meters, like this hill from the sea to my house. It's kind of long way. This is how it looks like. We go. So here is the road going. Here is the way to the forest, but we go down to the sea. Okay, now it's kind of storm, so we cannot go there, but anyway, here I can just come and rest near the sea. This is the beach near with my house, so here also is a cafe, and you can just sit there. To be honest, for me, when people say I want to live near the sea with the view to the sea, I always thought it's like impossible. And then one day I just wake up and I understand that I really live near the sea and I really see the sea from my window.